Let's learn how to convert units using dimensional analysis. In this example, we'll convert 20 millimeters to inches. First, let's write down what we know. We know that 1 inch equals 25.4 millimeters. This is our conversion factor. Now, let's set up our dimensional analysis. We start with 20 millimeters. Then, we multiply by a conversion factor that will help the units cancel out. We'll write our conversion factor as a fraction with inches on top and millimeters on bottom, so that millimeters will cancel out. Let's see how the units cancel. The millimeters in the numerator cancel with the millimeters in the denominator, leaving us with just inches as our unit. Now let's solve this mathematically. We have 20 divided by 25.4. Using a calculator, we get 0.78740,157. Rounding to 3 decimal places, we get 0.787 inches. Let's visualize this conversion with a diagram. Here's a ruler showing both millimeters and inches. 20 millimeters is this length here, which is equivalent to about 0.787 inches. To summarize, we converted 20 millimeters to inches by first setting up our dimensional analysis with the proper conversion factor, then canceling out the millimeter units, and finally dividing 20 by 25.4 and rounding to 3 decimal places to get our answer of 0.